Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to inspect elements on Android. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Play Store. In the search bar of Play Store, search for Kiwi browser. Then tap Install. After installing Kiwi browser, tap Open. Tap Continue. And now, for example, let's go to google.com. And here you can access to any website you want. For example, if we want to inspect elements on Google, just tap here, scroll down, and tap Developer Tools. And now he gives you the inspector elements of any website you want. For example, if we're going to any website, like for example, bank search, and we want to inspect elements of this website, just the same way, tap here this icon, slow down, and tap Developer Tools, and here he gives you the inspector elements of any website you want. So that's how you can inspect elements on your Android. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.